Hello, my name's Krista Fairbrother of KristaFairbrother.com, and today I wanted to give you an idea of what is Aqua Yoga. Aqua Yoga is simply moving your yoga practice into the pool. So we do predominantly standing postures that you would do in a mat class, but you're in the environment of water. We can also do seated postures with the use of props. So here I'm using a standard swimming kickboard to do staff pose or Dandasana in the pool. You can see it's a much bigger balance challenge than it would be on land. We also, of course, incorporate breath work into Aqua Yoga. So in this twist, I'm concentrating hard on syncing my movements to my breath. And of course, we integrate yoga philosophy into all aspects of our practice. And we conclude our practice with a floating meditation. A floating meditation in an aquatic environment is a wonderful way to relax and de-stress and really let your nervous system calm down. The reasons one would do an aqua yoga practice are of course diverse, and yes, it's super fun, but many people come to aqua yoga because they do not want to get on and off the ground in a regular yoga practice, or perhaps can no longer bear weight on their hands and wrists. So you can see this is a great alternative for that because it's not required in the practice, as well as aqua yoga has some distinct benefits from working in the water. So you get more joint space, more pain relief, and offload some weight that you wouldn't receive in a mat class. So it has some unique benefits. This makes it a great way to learn yoga or continue practicing yoga, but in a way that serves your current needs. Please visit my website, KristaFairbrother.com, and check out all the free resources I have to help you practice aqua yoga today. Thank you so much. Namaste.